Hello children, how are you all doing? Now, one of your lovely nursery nurses has told me that you really want me to sing a certain song. And it's a song we've sang a lot at nursery and at kids club as well. And it's Shotgun. You know Shotgun. Are you ready? This is your time to dance. We're going to have a dance party. You in your house, me in my house. We're all going to dance together. Are you ready? We're going to sing Shotgun. Are you ready? Yeah! A homegrown alligator, see you later. You gotta hit the road, gotta hit the road. Something changed in the atmosphere, I was extra unfamiliar. I could get used to this. All the time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like someone. Whoa, I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like someone. Whoa, well, south of the equator, navigator, gotta hit the road, gotta hit the road. Deep sea diving round the clock, bikini bottoms, lager tops. I could get used to this. All the time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like someone. Whoa, I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like someone. Whoa, we've got two in the front, two in the back, sailing along and we don't look back, back. All the time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like someone. Whoa, I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like someone. Whoa, last time. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like someone, someone. Yeah! Well done everybody, fantastic. We'll see you all very soon. Bye-bye!